Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we are going to get some trash from a gas station. So I'm going to show you the trash they have, and it really smells bad. It's been out here for a while. So here you can tell some of this stuff must have food or something in it. There's flies all over it. We're going to get that pile of stuff right there. And then over here, we are going to take an arm length out of this dumpster. So as you can see, it's all filled. So then, you know, they can keep filling it. And back in there, there's actually bags on the side too. We got to clean around the dumpster. So that's what today's video is going to be about. And now we're going to get to it. All right, we got that first section cleaned up. Took us about probably 4 minutes total. So now we're gonna move on to the dumpster. I'm gonna move my truck right over there, and then we're gonna take some stuff out of there. All right, guys, we got done. We cleaned all on the sides and behind it. It looks 100% better, and we took a lot out of the top, like an arm's length. So yeah, they obviously let this get pretty bad before they gave us a call. It was really smelly and nasty. There was flies and maggots everywhere, but we got it done. Here's our trailer full. So yeah, it actually was pretty deceiving. It filled our trailer up pretty well. So yeah, we're getting 500 for this job, so it's not too bad overall. Took us about 20 minutes, but it was a 50-minute drive, so you got to include that in your time as well. So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys next time.